In this video, I'll show you how to install the Unlinked application on your Firestick or Android TV. Unlinked is an alternative app store that lets you download thousands of apps that aren't available in the official Amazon App Store by default, giving you access to games, tools, entertainment apps, and more. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app on your device. First of all, you'll need to get an app called Downloader, which is available for free on the official Amazon App Store. To do this, go to Search on your device, and in the search bar, start typing Downloader. As you type, the app will appear in the results, usually at the bottom. Click on it, and then select Install to add it to your device. Downloader is essential because it allows you to safely download APK files directly to your Firestick or Android TV. Once Downloader is installed, it still needs to be set up properly before we can use it. To do this, go to Settings on your device, then scroll down and select My Fire TV. Here, you'll need to enable developer options. On some Fire Sticks, developer options may be hidden by default, so if you can't find it, go to About, select your Fire Stick, and press the center button on your remote 7 times quickly. You should see a message letting you know that developer options are now enabled. Go back to My Fire TV, and you will now see developer options. Open it, then enable ADB debugging. Next, go to Install Unknown Apps, find Downloader in the list, and turn it on. Enabling this allows Downloader to install apps directly from the internet, rather than only apps from the official App Store. This is a crucial step for installing Unlinked. Now, open Downloader from your apps list. Make sure you are on the home screen of Downloader, not the browser menu. This ensures the search bar is ready to enter the link. Before entering any links, it is highly recommended to connect to a VPN for safety and privacy. NordVPN is a fast, reliable option that works on Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, and other devices. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN for yourself. Once connected, all your internet traffic will be encrypted, protecting your activity from trackers and hackers. NordVPN also has threat protection to block malicious websites, and a kill switch feature that stops internet traffic if the VPN connection drops, keeping your real IP safe at all times. With your VPN active, return to Downloader and enter the link for Unlinked exactly as shown. Unlinked.lini. It is important to type this link exactly as it appears, because any mistakes will prevent the download from working. After entering the link, select Go, and wait for the website to load completely. Once the website is open, scroll down until you find the Download APK Android button. This is the button that starts the Unlinked download process. Click on it, and the download will begin. After the download is complete, select Install. Wait patiently as the installation finishes. When it is done, do not click Open just yet. Instead, select Done. You will now have the option to delete the installation file. Select Delete, then Confirm by pressing Delete again. Removing this file frees up storage space on your device, which is important because Firesticks and Android TVs often have limited memory. Now, go to your list of apps and find Unlinked. Highlight it, then press the Options button on your remote, the one with 3 horizontal lines. Select Move to Front. This will place Unlinked at the top of your app list, making it easy to access whenever you want. Keep your VPN connected whenever you use Unlinked to stay safe and secure. NordVPN protects your connection with strong encryption, blocks malicious sites with threat protection, and ensures your IP remains hidden with the kill switch feature. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start using Unlinked safely and reliably.